At the back of artists, far away from the elephants, crocodiles, tapirs and tarantulas, they live there, the Nachtloerderrrs. Hidden in the dark, among the bushes or in a tree, we see strange unknown eyes staring, lighting up and lurking. They appear one by one and move through the night. This artwork was created by 72 and Sunny Collective, a creative team of writers and developers with offices in Amsterdam, New York, LA, Singapore and Sydney. For this artwork, they sought collaboration with 800 Amsterdam school children from 18 primary schools, the next generation of creatives. The artists make us think about how many city animals there are, and not only in artists but also outside. The eyes always move for 8 seconds and also pop up somewhere else, so that it seems that the animals move through the space and makes it very exciting. What feeling does this bring to you when the mysteriously shaped eyes of the artwork stare at you? Are you scared? And what would the animals feel? Are they our friend or our enemy? Do their eyes affect your sense of security, or do we disturb the animals' living environment? As animals adapt to our urban jungle, these are some of the questions that we will increasingly ask ourselves.